Welcome to Australia, the land of beautiful beaches, jumpy kangaroos and climby koalas. Australia is known for many things such as tropical beaches, marine reserves, Aboriginal culture, wine and lush rainforests. Another thing about Australia that you may not know is having high-paying jobs. Some people choose a job based on their passion, others based on the salary. We are going to talk about the highest-paying jobs in Australia and their average annual salaries. 10. Financial investment advisors or managers. Financial investment professionals develop financial plans for individuals and organizations and invest and manage funds on their behalf. Financial advisors have lower incomes on average at $119,606 per year, while financial investment managers earn $331,812 on average. There are about 20,679 financial investment professionals in Australia. Average annual salary is $155,882. Average take-home pay after tax is $110,021. 9. Engineering managers. Engineering managers are responsible for planning and overseeing engineering projects. They plan and execute strategies to complete projects in time. If you know how to propose and manage budgets for projects, this job may be right for you. About 25,728 people are working as engineering managers in Australia. Average annual salary is $161,514. Average take-home pay is $113,457. 8. Mining engineers. Australia has abundant natural resources. No wonder mining engineers get paid well. Petroleum mining engineers have the highest average salary of $196,156. Australia has about 9,120 mining engineers. Average annual pay is $188,083. Average take-home pay is $129,017. 7. Judicial or other legal professionals include judges and magistrates. Lower-income clerks are also in this group, so the average income is skewed lower. For comparison, judges have an average taxable income of $423,945, while clerks have a taxable income of $71,774. Number of individuals in this profession is about 3,940. Average annual pay is $189,538. Average take-home pay is $129,789. 6. Other medical practitioners include dermatologists, gynecologists, ophthalmologists, pathologists, diagnostic and interventional radiologists, and radiation oncologists. This profession has about 28,696 professionals. Their average annual pay is $232,903 and average take-home pay is $152,772. Which jobs are you interested in? Comment below. The best job is the job we love doing and the one that pays well at the same time. See you again in the next episode.
Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now.